Have you been struggling with constant ringing in your ears? Or maybe you're noticing changes in your hearing and it's starting to affect your daily life. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to talk about Quietum Plus, a revolutionary hearing health supplement designed to support and protect your ears naturally. But before we dive into how it works, let me give you an important heads up. Quietum Plus is only available through its official website. This ensures that you're getting the genuine product with its full benefits and protects you from counterfeit or ineffective alternatives sold elsewhere. I've included the official website link in the description below, so make sure to check it out and secure your bottles today. Now, what exactly is Quietum Plus and how can it help? Quietum Plus is a 100% natural formula specifically designed to support your hearing health, tackle tinnitus symptoms, and improve overall ear function. Its ingredients are carefully chosen to not only strengthen your auditory system, but also address the root causes of hearing issues, like inflammation, oxidative stress, and nerve damage. This supplement works by enhancing blood flow and oxygen supply to your ears, nourishing the delicate cells that play a crucial role in your hearing. It also helps repair damaged nerve tissues and protects your ears from further harm caused by toxins, loud noises, or aging. The magic of Quietum Plus lies in its unique blend of powerful natural ingredients. It's packed with yam, which is known to reduce ear inflammation and support better ear function. Fenugreek and dong quai help regulate blood flow to the auditory system, ensuring your ears get the nutrients they need to thrive. Motherwort and L-tyrosine work to calm the nervous system and reduce the stress and anxiety that often come with tinnitus. Meanwhile, hops extract helps with oxidative stress, protecting the cells in your ears from damage. All these ingredients work together to provide a complete solution for hearing health. One of the best things about Quietum Plus is that it's 100% natural, GMO-free, and doesn't contain harmful chemicals, stimulants, or additives. This makes it safe for long-term use and suitable for anyone looking to improve their ear health. Thousands of people are already seeing life-changing results with Quietum Plus, from reduced ringing and buzzing in their ears to improved focus, sharper hearing, and even better sleep. It's helping users regain control of their lives. And the best part? You only need to take 2 capsules daily with a glass of water, making it easy to fit into your routine. If you're still unsure, Quietum Plus comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you or you're not satisfied for any reason, simply return it for a full refund. No questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to order Quietum Plus today. Choose the 3 or 6 bottle packages to enjoy exclusive discounts and free shipping. Once you try it, drop a comment below to share your experience. I'd love to hear how Quietum Plus is helping you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.